Imagine waking up in 2030 just 5 years from now and discovering your job no longer exists. Not because you were fired, but because an AI is doing it better, faster, and cheaper than you ever could. This isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy. It's happening right now, and it's accelerating at terrifying speed. By 2030, 30% of all American jobs will be fully automated. That's 92 million jobs worldwide simply vanishing. But here's the twist. While those jobs disappear, 170 million new ones emerge. The question isn't whether AI will change everything it already has. The real question is, will you survive the AI revolution? Welcome to VibVerse. Today, we're diving deep into America 2030, the AI takeover, job apocalypse, and the radical new world order that's coming faster than anyone expected. Buckle up, because your future starts right now. The AI explosion. Let's start with the numbers that should terrify every working American. Since ChatGPT launched in late 2022, everything changed. Revenue growth in AI-exposed industries has quadrupled in just 3 years. Companies are racing to implement AI, and here's the shocking truth. 23.5% of US companies have already replaced workers with AI tools like ChatGPT. Nearly half 49% of companies using these tools admit they've eliminated human positions. In May 2023 alone, 3,900 American jobs were directly eliminated by AI, making it the 7th largest job eliminator that month. By 2025, right now 7,640 positions have already been wiped out. This isn't a future threat, it's today's reality. But here's where it gets wild. AI isn't just replacing factory workers anymore. 2/3 of all jobs in the United States are now exposed to some degree of AI automation. That means if you're working right now, there's a 66% chance AI is coming for your job. McKinsey predicts that by 2030, AI could automate up to 30% of work hours in America while adding $13 trillion to the global economy. The wealth is growing, but it's not going to workers. Who's getting hit first? Customer service representatives face 80% automation risk by 2025, essentially right now. If you work in a call center, your days are numbered. Data entry clerks, 7.5 million positions eliminated by 2027. Retail cashiers face 65% automation risk as self-checkout and AI-powered systems take over. Bank tellers are projected to decline by 15, that's 51,000 per 100 jobs gone, while cashier positions will drop by 11%, eliminating 353,100 jobs by 2033. Manufacturing workers and transportation employees face medium-term destruction. 2 million manufacturing positions and 1.5 million trucking jobs are at risk by 2030 as self-driving trucks and automated factories become reality. Medical transcriptionists, credit analysts, telemarketers all declining rapidly. Since 2000, automation has already eliminated 1.7 million US manufacturing jobs. And this is just the beginning. The YouTube revolution. Now here's something nobody saw coming. The YouTube automation explosion. YouTube automation faceless channels run entirely by AI has grown 481% in recent years. Creators are building entire empires without ever showing their face, using AI to write scripts, generate voiceovers, edit videos, and even create thumbnails. VTubing is exploding as virtual avatars replace real personalities. AI-generated content is flooding the platform. Tools like ChatGPT write entire scripts in seconds. Text-to-speech AI creates human-sounding narration. AI editing software cuts footage automatically. The entire content creation industry is being revolutionized, and traditional creators are panicking. But here's the opportunity. While old media jobs die, new creator economy roles are booming. AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI ethics officers, and human AI collaboration specialists are the hottest new careers. The catch? 77% of new AI jobs require master's degrees. The skills gap is massive. Technology breakthroughs reshaping America beyond AI. 3 other technologies are converging to transform American life. By 2030, quantum computing. Quantum computers are solving problems in minutes that would take traditional supercomputers thousands of years. By 2030, quantum computing will revolutionize drug discovery, financial modeling, climate prediction, and cybersecurity. Companies investing in quantum now will dominate entire industries. Those who don't, they'll be obsolete. CRISPR gene editing. CRISPR technology is curing previously incurable genetic diseases. By 2030, gene therapy will be commonplace in American hospitals. Cancer treatments will be personalized to your DNA. Hereditary diseases like sickle cell anemia and muscular dystrophy will be eliminated. Life expectancy will jump dramatically, but only for those who can afford it. A new health inequality crisis is emerging. Precision fermentation and lab-grown meat. America's food system is being revolutionized by precision fermentation using microorganisms to create identical proteins without animals. By 2030, lab-grown meat will be cheaper than traditional beef. McDonald's and major chains will switch to cultured meat products. The environmental benefits are massive. 96% less greenhouse gas, 99% less land use. But America's ranchers, farmers, and meat industry workers, millions of people face unemployment. The job apocalypse and new opportunities. The brutal math. 92 million jobs displaced by 2030, with 170 million new roles emerging. But these aren't one-to-one swaps. A customer service center employing 500 people transforms into 50 AI oversight specialists in a different location. The jobs aren't disappearing, they're relocating and requiring completely different skills. Who survives? Who thrives? Software developers see 17.9% employment growth. Entry-level software engineering postings grew 47% between October 2023 and November 2024. STEM fields have grown from 6.5% of jobs in 2010 to nearly 10% in 2024, almost 50% increase. Healthcare roles like nurse practitioners are projected to grow 52% by 2033. Cybersecurity professionals face 32% growth. Solar installers, 22% growth. Wind turbine technicians, 44% growth. Skilled trades electricians, plumbers, HVAC technicians remain largely automation-proof. The gender gap creases a shocking disparity. 58.87 million women in the U.S. workforce occupy positions highly exposed to AI automation, compared to 48.62 million men. Administrative assistants, secretaries, customer service reps, data entry roles dominated by women are being automated fastest. This creates massive gender inequality in the AI transition. The 4-day workweek revolutionists. AI handles routine tasks. America is experimenting with radical workplace changes. 4-day workweeks are becoming standard in tech companies. Productivity increases while worker satisfaction soars. Microsoft Japan tested a 4-day week and saw productivity jump 40%. By 2030, the traditional 5-day, 40-hour week could be extinct for knowledge workers. Universal basic income debate with 52% of Americans expecting higher unemployment due to technology. Universal basic income UBI has moved from fringe idea to serious policy discussion. The logic is simple. If AI creates massive wealth but eliminates jobs, how do people survive? UBI proposes giving every American $1,002,000 month, no strings attached. Critics call it socialism. Supporters call it survival. By 2030, several U.S. cities and possibly entire states will have UBI pilot programs. Conclusion: America 2030 is both terrifying and thrilling. 92 million jobs disappear, but 170 million new ones emerge. AI makes some workers incredibly valuable. Revenue growth triples. Wages double for AI-skilled workers. But for those unprepared, it's catastrophic unemployment. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. By 2030, work will be unrecognizable. The question isn't whether AI will change your life. It's whether you'll adapt fast enough to survive. 30% of jobs automated, 4-day work weeks, universal basic income, gene-edited medicine, lab-grown meat, quantum computing. This is America 2030, and it arrives in just 5 years. What will you do to prepare? Drop your strategy below, like and subscribe to VibVerse for more future deep dives. The AI revolution waits for no one. Stay informed, stay adaptable, stay ahead. This is VibVerse signing off.